Of all the planets in our universe, there is only one that we know can support life. It's called Earth. Disney Nature Films proudly presents a BBC Greenlight Media and Discovery Channel production of an extraordinary motion picture event about 1 year in the life of the creatures who share our planet.
Fate brought them together.
Pilot said we were over 1,000 miles off course.
Secrets were revealed.
Saving the world.
An escape was planned.
Who's this? I'm one of the survivors of Oceanic Flight 815.
Are we really going home?
Yeah, we're really going home.
Now,
Rescuing your people, can't really say it's our primary objective.
Then what is?
Whatever they came for, it isn't us.
You want to know why we're here? I'll tell you why we're here. Let go of me!
Every single living person on this island will be killed.
No!
Please!
They're on their way.
There's a traitor in your midst.
Yeah, I was thinking I was gonna get a good night's sleep.
Lost, the complete 4th season, coming soon to DVD.
Anytime, anywhere. ABC. Start here.
It was one of the most unforgettable season finales on television. Thursday, September 24th, the year that changes everything begins.
Kamikaze airplanes in the sky.
With a 2-hour premiere event.
Going down, or will we fly?
They're asking you to take the job.
Take my job.
This time, it's sink or swim.
ABC's Grey's Anatomy 2-hour season premiere. Thursday, September 24th on ABC.
What kind of kid would rather sit in a crummy classroom than be out here?
What kind of father goes fishing when he should be looking for a new job?
Fine.
Fine. And don't forget today.
What's today?
Election day, dummy.
Well, I'm not even registered.
I registered for you in the mail.
Well, that's great. I could get jury duty now. Boom, 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 boom.
Mr. Johnson, your vote didn't count. You're entitled to recast your ballot in a timely manner.
How about if I just whisper it to you then? Right here, we get it over with right now, and you can listen too. Those men last night?
Let's not tell anybody about that.
Got it.
A single irregular ballot is holding up a final decision for the American presidency.
So many.
One American citizen will effectively choose the next president of the United States.
This is OJ big. Bigger.
All we have to do
is win over one American mind.
I want to know what he reads, what television shows he watches.
Welcome to the party, Bud.
People really like you, Bud. They feel like you're one of them.
I don't really feel comfortable with this.
Oh, great. He's got the Secret Service running fly patterns.
What's he gonna do next? Invite the cabinet over for a kegger?
I read about you in the paper. They said you'd do anything to win, even if it meant selling your mother's soul.
If you met my mother, you'd understand.
You should read all this mail you've been getting. People are writing to you for help.
I can't help these people.
You can speak for them. Bud!
You used to stand for something. Both of you.
What are we about?
Winning. Because if we don't win, you can't do what you set out to do. This is a moment that the whole world will remember forever.
I know exactly what you mean, Andy.
Do you?
Maybe not.
The only question now is, who are you going to vote for?
Remind me again who's running.